Hi everyone, this is your biology class. I'm your teacher Seema Atreja. Student, in this lecture we are going to discuss the digestion of cellulose. Cellulose cannot be digested by animals on their own. Cellulose digestion always takes place with the help of symbiotic microbes. Cellulose is a polysaccharide. It is made up of about 6,000 D-glucose molecules. Glucose is a monomer. About 6,000 molecules of D-glucose polymerize and combine together with the help of beta-1,4-glycosidic bond. And animals do not have such enzymes which can break the beta bond present in the cellulose. So always cellulose digestion takes place with the help of symbiotic microbes. These symbiotic microbes secrete enzyme which can digest the cellulose and break the beta-1,4-glycosidic bond present in them. So here we are going to discuss the cellulose digestion. First we will discuss the digestion of cellulose in case of ruminating animals. In ruminating animals there is present the compound stomach, and in the rumen and reticulum, which are the chamber of compound stomach, there are present symbiotic bacteria. One of the symbiotic bacteria is Ruminococcus. This bacteria secrete cellulase enzyme, and this cellulase enzyme digests the cellulose into simple compound or simple acid like acetic acid, butyric acid and propionic acid. This cellulase enzyme digests the 1,4-glycosidic bond present into the cellulose, and simple acids are produced. This is one type of digestion of cellulose with the help of symbiotic microbes like Ruminococcus in case of ruminating animals. Second type of cellulose digestion takes place in pseudo-ruminants. Pseudo-ruminants like rabbits or guinea pigs. In case of rabbit, what happens? Bacteria, symbiotic bacteria are present into the cecum. What is cecum? It is the first part of the large intestine. Inside the cecum, symbiotic bacteria are present. Cecum is that part where digestion of cellulose takes place in case of pseudo-ruminants. It is the part of the large intestine. Function of large intestine is the absorption of water and mineral salts. Digested food is not absorbed into the large intestine. Then what happens? In the large intestine or cecum of the large intestine, digestion of cellulose takes place. After digestion of cellulose, digested food is not absorbed because it is the function of not large intestine. So this digested food is excreted out, and rabbit again consume this digested food, and this digested food passes through the stomach and small intestine. Then absorption of this digested food takes place. This phenomenon is known as the coprophagy, in which animal feed on their fecal matter. कोप्रोफेगी में क्या होता है? रैबिट लाइक एनिमल्स अपने फीकल मैटर को फिर से खा रहे हैं ताकि वो जो डाइजेस्टेड फूड है उसको स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में एब्जॉर्ब किया जा सके, क्योंकि उसका डाइजेशन लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन में हुआ. लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन में डाइजेशन के बाद फूड एब्जॉर्ब नहीं होता है, वो उसको एक्सपेल आउट कर देते हैं. एक्सपेल आउट करने के बाद फिर से एनिमल उसको फीड करता है ताकि डाइजेस्टेड फूड को स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में एब्जॉर्ब किया जा सके. So animals feed on their feces. That type of animals are known as the coprophagous animals, and the phenomena is known as the coprophagy. In case of rabbit, two conditions we can observe. During morning they release undigested waste, and during night they release soft and digested cellulose containing fecal matter, which is again consumed by the animals. So in this case, bacteria present into the cecum, they release the beta glycosidase enzyme, which digests the cellulose into simple sugar, and this simple sugar is again eaten by the animals, and then it is absorbed into the small intestine. So such type of cellulose digestion takes place in pseudo ruminants. Next, cellulose digestion takes place in case of termites. Termites generally consume wood and paper in which cellulose is there. In case of termites, there are present symbiotic protozoans like Trichonympha, which release the cellulase enzyme, which digests the cellulose into simple sugar. So in this way, cellulose digestion takes place in different animals. First, in case of ruminating animals, symbiotic bacteria are present into the rumen and reticulum of the compound stomach, which secrete the cellulase enzyme and digest the cellulose into acetic acid, butyric acid and propionic acid. In case of pseudoruminants, bacteria are present into the cecum and digestion of cellulose takes place into the cecum with the help of enzyme released by bacteria, that is beta glycosidase, which digests the cellulose into simple sugar. This simple sugar released out of the body and then again feed by the animals and absorbed into the small intestine. Third type of cellulose digestion takes place in case of termites, where symbiotic bacteria is not present but symbiotic protozoans Trichonympha is there, which release cellulase enzyme and digest the cellulose into simple sugar. This is all about cellulose digestion. Thank you so much.